Do you ever wonder why there aren't huge S corporations? We recently did a video talking about the basics of S corporations. You can check that out here on our channel. But a lot of times people wonder, why aren't there mega companies that are S corporations? Why isn't Apple an S corporation? Why isn't Google an S corporation? Because the S corporations have a lot of restrictions, particularly on the number of owners and the characters of owners. You typically can't have international owners of U.S. S corporations because of the way the tax law works, because that flow through taxation, the IRS wouldn't want international owners, non-U.S. taxpayers, to be owners of S corporations because they would lose out a lot of tax money. And also the number of owner restrictions makes it very hard to scale an S corporation. S corporation is typically going to be a small business owned by a single owner, maybe by a small group, maybe by a family. But because of the number of owner restrictions and the citizenship and taxpayer restrictions on who can own it and the equity structure restrictions, you're typically not going to have a super big S corporation. So that's why you don't see big S corporations. Your choices then become to really become a corporation, a C corporation, a regular corporation, or potentially we are seeing more and more large LLCs depending on the ownership structure. So you need to really look at what you're trying to do. Get a good advisor with you and really map out where you are now and where you're going. A good attorney in your jurisdiction could help you look at all of this and figure out what the best structure is for you and your future. Feel free to comment with your questions. Remember, YouTube doesn't keep things confidential, right? If you post a YouTube comment, obviously other people are going to see it. So don't put your confidential business information in there. But do feel free to ask general questions. Start the conversation. We love reading the comments. And a lot of times when we see a comment or a theme in the comments, we can then use that as a prompt for future videos to help you. You'll see a library of great past videos on this channel, so I hope you do subscribe and learn from there and comment on those videos as well. But then also drop your questions and ideas and things you want to see for future videos. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon.